Life was simple when I was a kid. I played without worries, but all of that changed on one horrifying day. I was a child when 11,000 volt of electricity changed my life forever. I lost both my hands. When I looked into the mirror after the accident, I didn't see a child anymore. I saw trauma, tears, and shame. I began hiding from the world. I developed social anxiety. I stopped speaking. Even breathing felt like a fight. But my parents didn't let me give up. They forced me to go back to the school, and one of my teachers used to encourage me to write by myself. Slowly and painfully, I started writing again. Maybe education didn't solve all my problems, but it gave me the confidence that I lost. I still have social anxiety, but I don't need others' voice for my rights. I can fight my battles by myself. That crying child I saw in the mirror, she didn't disappear. She was strong. She became an educated woman, and now she is transforming her pain into purpose. Education gave me more than knowledge, it gave me the backbone I needed. To all the girls who feel broken, silenced, or afraid, never stop learning, never stop rising, because an educated woman doesn't just change her life, she transforms a nation.